How to add a question to a quiz, Part 1. This is a three-part series that demonstrates how to add a question to a quiz on the eLearning Academy. In this video, we will demonstrate how to 1. Add a new question, 2. Edit a question, and 3. Delete a question. Let's get started. Locating the quiz. First, go to your course. Now locate and open the quiz you want to edit and add questions to. Once on the quiz page, select the questions option from the quiz navigation bar. Now locate the Add button. It's to the right of the page below the maximum grade and shuffle option. Click on the Add button to access the drop-down menu. This will reveal the options to add a new question, add from question bank, and add a random question. Let's add a new question. Selecting this option will present you with a catalog of questions and question types. From this catalog, select the question type you wish to use and click Add. For this demonstration, we will select the multiple choice question. This will bring you to the question editing interface. Here you can edit the question name, text, status, mark allocation, general feedback, and ID number. These are just the general settings that you can edit for all questions. Each question will also have additional settings unique to them. We will break down each individual question type in separate videos. Let's quickly go through the general settings for our question. We will first insert the question name and then the question text. Note that the question text is the question itself. For this demonstration, we will keep the rest of the general as default. Next, we can move on to the unique multiple choice settings. We will also keep these as default and insert our answers. We will insert the standard 4 answer options and then make one of them correct by setting the grade to 100%. After this, click on the option to save. Editing a question. To edit the question, click on the pencil icon next to the question name. This will take you back to the question editing interface. Here you will be able to make any necessary updates. Note that when re-editing a question, you will see the version details of the question. To access the version history, click on History. On the history page for that question, there will be a list displaying all the previous versions of that question. To exit, click on Close. If you made any update to the question, scroll to the bottom and click on the option to save. Back on the questions page, we also have the option to edit the maximum mark for a question by clicking on the pencil icon next to the marks. To delete a question, click on the trash can icon. You will be required to confirm this decision. That's it for now. Now you can add questions to a quiz, edit a question, and delete a question. Click on the video on screen to watch Part 2.